Gino Pettis Adventures. I'm still Gino. This one's for you, okay? I've been experimenting with a lot of things, and Mr. Chuck and I, come on, Mr. Chuck. When Chuck got here, he had a hard time even walking with this thing. And as you can see, he's walking really. So as you can see, Mr. Chuck does pretty good. Well, and what I've been experimenting with lately, well, first I gotta back up a little. 18 years ago, on a Monday afternoon in Scottsdale, Arizona, I went to see my doctor. And he took an EKG and he folded the little paper up and handed it to me and he said, "Gino, can you drive yourself over to Mayo's clinic?" And I said, "Well, yeah, I sure can." And I did, and I was going to stop for a pack of cigarettes on the way and decided I wouldn't. Long story short, 8 hours later, 10 hours later, I had had a quadruple bypass after I got to the emergency room. They gave me less than 5% chance to get off the table. That was 2008. And brother, I am still here. And why am I still here? Because I work on it every day. I exercise, I eat right, I do herbs and spices, I did stem cells, I did everything on the planet you can think of. And the other night I found something really cool. My heart's weak and I can walk and I can get around. Chuck has a difficult time. I don't think he can walk yet without his walker. He can, but just for a few steps. I found exoskeletons by Hypershell. What that does, I'll put some pictures in here. So here's the deal. Hypershell, this is a shout out. Hypershell is a Chinese company, okay? I wish it was an American company, but it's not. It's a Chinese company. And we seem to be getting along with them pretty well. And what Chuck and I would like to do is we would like to use 2 exoskeletons and video the progress. Video the progress on how well we do or don't do, for that matter. If it works, great. If it doesn't work, oh well. But what we're tapping into, I mean, this channel has 5,800 subscribers, and 78% of those are over 65 years old. Imagine that. And they have friends, and I'm sure a lot of them would love to walk better. You've already helped people with Parkinson's. You already have helped 80-year-old hikers be able to hike up to 9.2 miles. An 80-year-old hiker hiking 9.2 miles and still had battery left. Oh my God, that's pretty awesome. So, like I said earlier, by 2025, there are going to be 800 million people over the age of 65 years old. Do you think there might be a market there for somebody besides a hiker? You don't miss out on the old guys. There's a lot of us, and we're tough, and we'll spend $1,000 on a unit if we think it's going to work. But we got to find out, and you need to find out if it'll work for us too, because medical devices are not the answer. I don't have $40,000 for an experiment, unless somebody wants to donate me $40,000. I'd rather have somebody like you guys, Hypershell, donate Chuck and I a unit each. And we'll start it from the unboxing to the putting it on, to the getting it adjusted, to the working it every day or every other day or however long we can, until we either prove that it's a viable thing for us or not. Easy as that. And you guys out there in Geno land, do me a favor, please. If you would respond to this video, and if you think it's a good idea that we help people become more mobile, our age, please comment. If Hypershell sees 100, 200, 300 comments below, we're going to get a lot of traction. We're going to be able to do this thing. So, I'll say it again. God bless all of you. I know what it is to struggle to stand up sometimes. Chuck does it every time he gets up. But after he gets up, he gets moving. He can get in and out of the car by himself. No problem. Well, so we're not done. We're not done. It's just difficult. And we don't have 40 grand for a medical model. But we damn sure find $1,000 somewhere if it works. For Grandpa. Or Grandma. Think about it, guys. Be sure and hit like, subscribe, the notification bell. Comments. I need comments, comments, comments. This is Geno Pettis' next adventure. This is the first day of the rest of your life. Let's get fired up. Fired up. And we'll see you. And remember, if nothing changes, nothing changes. But we're going to see you on the flip side. Hypershell. Call me. Or send me an email. Thank you.